Hi. Today's video is going to be a pretty simple one. Itchy nose. I'm just going to do like a basic, fresh, I don't know, but just a nice little base makeup look. Yeah. I've had a long day in work, right, so forgive me if I, So what we're going to start off with is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Pink Juice Moisturizer, because one, I love it, and two, because I want to. And also this is going to be like a dewy face. So, yeah. It just smells so nice. All of the watermelon stuff does. I mean, it's not like really cheap, but honestly I think it has made a big difference in my skin. I might make a video about it one day, I don't know, but so that's my moisturizer. Okay, and then for foundation, this is really nice, but I don't use it enough, so I'm making more effort to use it right now. This is the Colourpop Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic Hydrating Foundation. It's cute. I did do a video on this and the concealer, but I don't know how well this actually lasts, to be honest. What shade is this? Fair 20N, in case you're wondering. And I'm just going to blend that in using a I was going to say this is a pretty good shade for me, but in the camera it looks white, like I look dead. This camera's not doing me any favours right now. Right, I'm going to add some concealer. This is the MUA Pro Base Full Coverage Concealer, just because I think I need it right now. But the finish of that foundation is so nice, like it just looks like skin. I have already done my eyebrows, well, kind of. In case you were wondering. Probably not. This is in the shade 104. So that's my foundation and concealer. Now it's time for blush. So we're going for the dewy, fresh, springy, I don't know what to call this, but you know what I mean, look. This is the Glossier Cloud Paint in Beam. I need to use this more because it's really nice. It's very pigmented though, so be careful. Right, let's try that. Using the same brush because I'm a lazy person. Oh, ooh. I forgot how nice this is. What? I'm back. Well, you didn't see me going anywhere, but I'm back. Blends like a dream. Wow. Okay, bronzer time. I'm going for the MUA Bronze Perfection Shimmer Bronzer. This is huge. And it did have like a glitter overspray around the edges, which is mostly come off now. That was nice for like this sort of area. But gold glitter on your face, not for me. But ooh, it's also very pigmented. I forgot about that. How is that looking? I don't know. Ooh, this brush is too dense for what I'm using it for. So now I'm going to use, I haven't used this highlighter for ages, but it's the MUA Undress Your Skin one. This is a throwback in Radiant Cashmere. Now you got to be careful with this because it is a bit, if you have skin, oh my god, if your skin tone is like mine, it looks pretty dark, but it is beautiful. Like it makes your skin look wet. See what I mean? Just have to use a very small amount. And yes, I am applying it with my finger. Right, for my lips I'm just going to use this, I think this is Revolution Pro Supreme Gloss Lip Pigment. It just looks like this. This is quite a pigmented lip gloss. I mean, it is called lip pigment. It's in a nice sort of mauvey browny nude colour. It's not sticky at all, but it still leaves like a shine. And then for my eyebrows, I've just kind of filled them in like I normally would. I'm going to leave them like this, I think, because this is just mainly about the base. But yeah, pretty simple video, but I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it helped in some way. All of this stuff is cruelty free also. That's always good. And yeah, hopefully see you in my next video. I hope you're okay.